guys, welcome to my channel. This is Amber here. I am a beauty blogger and influencer. I'm known as Makeup Diva Amber on Instagram. Today we're going to be going over some basic skincare routines, and today we have the facetory. This is the Korean skincare sheet mask, which is really amazing. I just got it in the mail yesterday, and here we go. This is the facetory. Some of different ones. This one is the Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask, as you guys can see right here. Then we have the Juicy Pina Colada. This is the Bright Mask Pineapple and Coconut, which is really cool. Then we also have I'm Sorry for My Skin. This is really interesting. It's a jelly mask and it's also a soothing mask. So yes, the Juice Cleanse Mask, which has celery and wheat in it, which is really cool. This says the Juice Cleansing Mask. Then we have our Sunbae Soothing Mask, as you guys can see. Today we are going to be going over this one. This is the one that I've really been wanting to go over. It comes in this cute little packet. So we're going to be getting started with the Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask Pineapple and Coconut. So let's get that one started. Now, this mask, let's see here, directions. We could go ahead, take out the mask from the pouch, remove the protective film, and it says apply the mask without protective film to the face. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. The directions is on the back. 10 to 15 minutes. And then you go ahead and gently pat face with fingertips until remaining serum is fully absorbed. And then we're gonna get started with this. It smells amazing. It's pineapple and it's coconut. So this is really cool. It has its protective layers on it as well. So they said for us to take off the protective layer from it. And we're going to go right ahead and apply it on. Now this is a Korean secret. They've been doing this for a while. This is their beauty things that they like to use. So this is really cool. I get a lot of Korean beauty products sent to me all the time, and I think that they're really creative and really cool and really effective for the skin. It's okay if everything doesn't quite, go on perfectly, but it just goes on to really absorb into your skin, and you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Are you watching me? Like, what is going on? Hey, stop breathing like that. Sometimes I like to take the excess amount that was in here and just kind of pat it on to the rest of the skin. It's very important to do the mask with your skin already cleansed. Okay, so once that's fully absorbed, you just go ahead and you take your fingertips and just rub everything in. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I will be leaving my discount code down below, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video and got enough information on how to use the Korean sheet mask. This is a wonderful, wonderful mask to start off with. It really comes in different varieties for different skin types, and I will be leaving all my information down below. And I hope that you guys join my squad today. And don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about it. Take care. Till the next video. See you later.